Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to import to Trello. First, go right here to Power Apps and click on Add Power Apps. Now you have to add a Power App which is called Import. So click on this one. Import to Trello by BlueCat. As you can see, this is possible to import CSV and Excel. So click on Add, then Add right here. And you should see this welcome page where you have to accept the terms and conditions and click on Authorize with Trello and go all the way down and you have to click on Allow right here. Once you've done that, just choose a file and simply pick file. So I am going to pick the file. Then you have to pick all the fields that you want and click on check and import. And this will import your file. Once it is done, it will show you how many cards are created, and it's simple like this. You can also import JSON if you want, just by adding a Power App called Import to Board JSON for Trello. So if you click on Add Power Apps and search for Import to Board, you should see this Power App Import to Board JSON for Trello. Just the same process as with the first one, but you can upload also JSON files. So if this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.